So Balance of Nature has gotten into some trouble with the FDA. So on November 16th of 2023, the FDA issued a news release that stated that the FDA has ordered the Balance of Nature company to stop making and selling Balance of Nature until they come into compliance with FDA regulations. Now, at the heart of this controversy appears to be that while Balance of Nature is a dietary supplement, the FDA says that its labeling makes it seem more like an unapproved drug. The FDA goes on to state that the Balance of Nature company violated good manufacturing practices because they appeared to fail to list the ingredients properly on the label, the purity, the composition of those ingredients, etc. Thus, the FDA renders the contents of Balance of Nature as an adulterated dietary supplement. Now, this isn't the first run-in that Balance of Nature has had with the FDA. Back in 2019, the FDA sent a warning letter to the company stating that its marketing materials for Balance of Nature alluded that the supplement appeared to help various health conditions such as sore throats and colds and allergies and flus and stuff like that, and that the polyphenols in Balance of Nature fiber and spice supplement improved insulin sensitivity and were safe for people with diabetes. They also mentioned that the fiber in Balance of Nature could help lower cholesterol. And that's kind of a big deal with the FDA because in the world of dietary supplements, you can't make specific claims about what the supplement does. The FDA considers those things drug claims, which are kind of off limits in the world of dietary supplements. Back in 2019, the FDA also alleged that Balance of Nature company violated good manufacturing practices and that it failed to enact a system to ensure the quality of their dietary supplements. Now, here is what I believe is the real bombshell in this 2023 news release, and that is that the FDA is requiring Balance of Nature to not sell or manufacture their dietary supplements until they do a few things. They are requiring that the Balance of Nature company hire good manufacturing consultants, submit documents to the FDA that they are under compliance with good manufacturing, and also receive approval from the FDA before they can resume operation. They're also requiring the Balance of Nature company to hire labeling experts to ensure that the company is in line with what the FDA deems appropriate for dietary supplement labeling. So if I'm understanding this correctly, this is pretty big. The FDA seems to be shutting down the Balance of Nature company until that company comes into FDA compliance. Now, if we switch gears and we look at the Better Business Bureau website, we can see that the Balance of Nature company has been around a long time, since 2002, and the Better Business Bureau gives the company a C- rating. I will refer you to the Better Business Bureau website because by the time you see this video, the rating may have changed. The Better Business Bureau also describes actions taken against Balance of Nature by the Santa Clara, California District Attorney's Office in 2023, where the company, the Balance of Nature company, agreed to pay over $1 million over allegations of false advertising. The company was ordered to pay $850,000 in civil penalties and another $250,000 for customer restitution for California residents who want to try to get a refund. And I will, of course, link to all this below for those of you who want to learn more for yourself. Now, on the plus side, when I looked through the Balance of Nature customer complaints that were on the Better Business Bureau website, I noticed that the company is indeed responding to those customers who are unsatisfied with their purchases, and that's a good thing.